Welcome to this quick guide on unarchiving a community on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've archived a community by accident or simply want to bring it back into your active chats, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the WhatsApp web application in your browser or use the desktop app and sign in with your QR code if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar chat list on the left side and the chat window on the right. Next, look for the archive section. It's usually located at the top of your chat list. Click on archived to reveal all communities and chats you've previously tucked away. If you have a lot of conversations, you may need to scroll a bit to locate the one you want to unarchive. Now, find the community you want to bring back into your main feed. Scroll through the archive list until you spot the specific community. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one so you don't unarchive the wrong chat. With the target community selected, perform the unarchive action. Right-click on the community in WhatsApp Web and choose Unarchive Chat from the context menu. Depending on your browser, you might also see an option like Unarchive. Click that, and the community will instantly move back to your primary chat list. If you're using a keyboard shortcut or a touch-enabled device, the steps are similarly straightforward. Open Archived, locate the desired community, and select the Unarchive option via the appropriate gesture or command. The goal is to restore the chat to your main view so you can resume conversations without hunting through archives. After unarchiving, you can confirm by returning to your main chat list and ensuring the community appears there. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or reopening WhatsApp Web. Sometimes a quick reload helps sync the latest state across the app. That's all there is to unarchiving a WhatsApp community on web for PC. It's a simple two-step process. Access archived, select the community, and unarchive. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical WhatsApp tips.